Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the iPad. Plug it in and confirm battery is above 50% or leave it charging. Next, clear at least 5 to 10 GB by offloading apps or removing large videos because insufficient storage is the most common blocker. Once done, back up to iCloud or to your computer so you can recover if something fails. While backing up, tap Settings right arrow General right arrow Software Update to attempt a fresh check. You're now ready to move into deeper fixes. If the update still stalls, force quit settings and perform a reboot to clear transient errors. That often fixes hung downloads. If networking looks flaky, reset network settings, which removes saved Wi-Fi but resolves DNS or roaming issues preventing connections. If over-the-air fails, connect the iPad to a Mac or PC and update via Finder or iTunes to bypass device-side update problems. While the desktop installs, monitor error codes and keep the iPad connected until the operation completes. After the installer runs, let the iPad complete the restart and then confirm the version under Settings right arrow General right arrow About. If the device still refuses to install, prepare for a DFU mode restore via a computer. This reinstalls firmware and iPad OS, but erases data, so use your backup. As a final troubleshooting tip, if DFU also fails, the issue may be hardware or account related. Contact Apple support for diagnostics. Keep calm and follow each step deliberately to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.